The roller conveyors are great. They can hold the loads. The frames are very sturdy because it's been here now nearly 2 years, and Dyno, they came up with a great solution. Why would you go anywhere else? Hi, I'm Jacob Sigma. I work for HamiltonJet, an iconic New Zealand company. Started in Irishman Creek by Bill Hamilton, and he bought this site somewhere in the 40s, and we're still on this site making water jets. And it's a great place to work. We have a full production facility, and we make the water jets from aluminium ingot through to assembly. In the foundry, we have patterns where we put sand in with a certain amount of resin that goes hard in 15-20 minutes, and then we can build up the molds like that, and we can pour the liquid aluminium, and that will cool down, solidify. We bring it to the shakeout where we retrieve the aluminium castings. Several years ago we had our patterns, which can weigh up till 400 or 500 kilos. When filled with sand, it was very hard to push them around corners. They twisted quite a lot, they weren't aligned and straight. We contacted Scott at Dyno, and they came up with a great solution of tapered rollers in corners, and with some leveling and adjustment to suit all sizes and weights of patterns, either full or empty. And they go around corners quite nicely, and they are ergonomically perfect to push patterns forward. The roller conveyors are great. They can hold the load. You don't notice the weight on them. The bearings are great because it's been here now nearly 2 years, and the environment is a lot of sand and dust. And I don't think we have replaced one single roller yet. It's very easy to push them, by one person can push them forward and stop them where they need to be. Dyno, they came up with a great solution. We have our cores coming from a different conveyor, and they cross over. So we have a transition in there with pneumatic operated, very simple, very easy. The frames are very sturdy, and adjustability of the legs. Occasionally we change them a little bit to fine-tune the system as we go, because it gets a beating of the weight. I've worked with Dyno for over 10 years off and on, and yeah, they pop in every now and then, and yeah, it's always nice to see them. Easy to work with, great product. Yeah, why would you go anywhere else?